Hello you all, welcome to the channel. We are discussing the operation on the sets, in which we had already done the complement of set, union of sets and intersection of sets. Now today we have to do the difference between two sets. Difference between two sets. Okay, I tell you about this little bit, but with the example we can understand more easily. So difference means subtraction, removal of anything, right? So we can write, let's suppose we are having set A and set B, and I want set A minus set B. What is it implies that all the elements of A which are not present in B. We have to write all the elements of A which are not present in B, right? So having an example, let's say we are having a set A, B, C 1, okay, and set B as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, if I want A minus B, then it will give me A all the elements of A which are not present in B. So we have to match all of them. A, B and C are not in B, but one is present in B. So we are not going to write A1, just we have to write A, B and C. That's it. It has done. Okay. Now, having a constant retardation, and we have some Venn diagram also. Let's suppose set A and set B, these are two sets. What are these to be called? Right? This is the question. What are these to be called? If I am talking about, so this can be written as A minus B and this can be written as B minus A. How? Let me tell you guys. This is only B. This is only B in which A is not present. If any element is written here, then it will not consider as B minus A, right? Similarly, this is only A or A minus B, right? So, taking one more example to explain this out, let's suppose it has been given that A and B 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and it has asked me A minus B and B minus A. What should I write here? I should write here just and only A or only B. So can you see, this is only A or A minus only A, है ना? So we can write 1, 2, 1, 2, and this part is only B. So we can write this B minus A or 3, 4. Is it? Yes. So we are clear with this, and we can conclude one thing more, that A minus B is not equals to B minus A. A minus B is not equals to B minus A. This is very, very important, and we can conclude that there both are different, right? So I have some laws for you. See, what are these? First is A minus B can also be written as A minus A intersection B, or it can also be written as A intersection B complement. Is it? Let's prove this out. Let's prove this out. We are having, I guess ये तो हमारा disjoint set बन गया. Now, what is A minus B? Just mark A minus B. We have to mark A minus B. So we know this part is A minus B. Right? Now, what if I mark A intersection B? A intersection B in the same. So I guess this part is A intersection B. Right? And he has asked me कि अब इसमें से मुझे माइनस करो A. It is obvious कि अब हमें ये वाला पार्ट नहीं लिखना है, तो this part will be the again the answer. Yes, we had sorted. Yes, we got the answer. Is both are same? Yes, both are same. This shows this is A minus B. This is A minus B. Now again I have to make it for you guys. A minus B is equals to A intersection B complement. As we know, this thing A, B, and this part is A minus B, right? Now, okay, now what are the B complement? What is B complement? I am shading the portion. Is it correct? This is the B complement. Yes, all the areas which are not B is known as B complement. Okay, and इसका अब intersection with A. What is the intersection with A? What is intersection with A? So I should mark A here. I had marked A. Now I am making with the pen and I am highlighting that particular thing. This is intersection of A intersection B complement. Is it? Yes. So is both are equal? Yes, both are equal. Then this thing is absolutely proved. So I will write this for you once again. What I had said in whole, A minus B is equals to A minus A intersection B, or it can be also written as A intersection B complement. We had proved this out. We have proved this out, so this must be clear to you guys. In similar way, we can also write B minus A as B minus A intersection B, and B minus A is equals to B intersection A complement. Just simple as that. Now we have to go to the symmetric. We have to go to symmetric difference of two sets, right? So what is this and how we are going to represent this? We are going to represent it as a delta B, or we can write is as A this side. Okay, see, both of them are the actual representation of symmetric difference of two sets. Okay, now there are some properties. A delta B is A minus B union B minus A. B minus A. We can prove this out. But what is delta here? See, this part is A minus B, and this part is B minus A. Just this common part is excluded here. This common part is excluded here with the whole set, right? So we can also write this one more time like this: A delta B is equals to A union B minus A intersection B, right? This can also be proved. How? Let's see guys. See, what is A union B? What is A union B? This is A union B, right? And what is A intersection B? What is A intersection B? Is this? Let's write this all. A union B, and this wala part is A intersection B, right? So what if I subtract A union B minus A intersection B? This means all the element of this which are not present in this, so we have this part, we have these parts, yes, and what we had get before, yes, same we had gotten before. So we had proved this also, right? Now again I have to show you one more thing, that is A delta B is equals to A intersection B complement union B intersection A complement. This can be proved by yourself. You can prove this out, and you will got to know how this can be written there. Okay, so now I am going to tell you about the laws of component. Laws of complement क्या होते हैं? Laws of complement fine. So A union B whole complement is equals to A complement intersection B complement. How? Now we have to prove this out. First I should write one more law in front of you. It is also known as law of complement, but is reciprocal of this. Whole complement is equals to A complement union B complement. Okay, now going to prove this out. Firstly, A union B complement can be, how can be written as, see here, how can it be drawn here? we all know this is set A and this is set B. So इसका complement ये हो जाएगा, which I am highlighting you here. Right. Now we have to draw one more thing. Now we have to draw A complement intersection B complement. Let's draw this out. This part is A, this part is B, this was A and this was B for you guys. Now what is A complement? I am highlighting A complement with green. Okay, now I am highlighting B complement with the red. And where you can see the mixing, that is the part, this part is particularly the answer. And yes, we had proved this out, and we can conclude that A union B का whole complement is equals to A complement intersection B complement. And similar way you can prove another one also, this one also, right? Now moving towards one more law of union and intersection. Okay, one more law of union and intersection, and then we are going to ending this session. Okay, first is law of union. So this law of union is, the union is distributive over two trisection. Okay, now I will tell you about how it is, what is he saying or what. Okay, this means A union B intersection C is equals to this is also for intersection too. Okay, is equals to A union B intersection B union C. And this can also be proved by you. Okay guys, you can prove this out. Okay, so union is distributive over intersection, and another law is also here, that A intersection B union C is equals to A intersection B complete union with B intersection C. Okay guys, this is all for the day, and you can prove this out. You can prove this one also. Okay, and one more thing, if you had not subscribed the channel yet, then do the subscription and like the channel, like the video, then you can motivate us. Okay, so thank you for the day.